Zaraženi 26-godišnjak zaposlenik je tvrtke Ericsson Nikola Tesla.
George Floyd repeatedly told the officers that he could not breathe.
At least 38 people were killed on Wednesday in Myanmar.
The office of President of the United States.
Office of President of the United States.
And we've seen glimpses from leaked videos like this one.
Nažalost, 12-godišnja djevojčica iz Petrinje izgubila je
This year's
život.
deadly wildfires and monster storms.
Killing 8 people in 3 separate massage parlors last night. 6 of them Asian women.
That the Duke of Edinburgh has died.
Emocije nisu
You all
mogu
come to
kontrolirati.
us young people for hope.
Repeatedly told the officers that he could not breathe.
1.8 million people.